Hello, everyone. It's indeed inspiring to see you back again. This is a new talk, a new series, and it is on effective work life principles. I have been interacting with so many candidates, especially the freshers, graduates, those who complete some domain training, some technology training, and then are seeking for a work opportunity. And then applying at relevant companies, relevant opportunities through different job portals or via some reference. Even you get a job, but as soon as you start working, then also you have a new set of experience. You work with your teammates, you have some manager or some team lead, you are delegated with so many tasks, and that time also it becomes really confusing sometimes, or things are unclear to you, and you struggle, correct? Yes, so this is a problem, this is a challenge. So let me tell you, I'm here to help you out with certain tips, some formulas, some models or frameworks which we have been experiencing in different organizations, and they're proven one. So you can directly apply these formulas or these frameworks into your work life. Let me introduce you the one, and continuously I'll be introducing you with certain such tips and frameworks and models. Let's begin. So this is ACR model. This is basically the first model I am including in this series because as soon as you start with some company, you start getting some work. It may be a learning task, it may be a part of a project, it may be a module, it may be some communication task, it may be a report making task, anything, whatever domain you have, some task you will get. Okay. Now, as soon as you get a task, what to do, what you should do. So this model will help you that how you should deal with that particular task. So the first thing is ask. Okay, in the ask part, you need to listen first. You need to listen carefully. The first step. Second step, make notes. Keep on making notes. Third step, ask relevant questions, and then get complete clarity of task to be performed. So this is the first step you should do. That means first you listen, then you ask, and then ensure that you are completely clear on the task. Now, after that, what you should do, the second part is complete. Okay, work timely and finish the task. Then double check from your side. If you have co-workers, then ask them and confirm them, double ensure that yeah, the task is completed and the quality is met. And after that, after completing, the most important part, which is missed out by many, is report. Immediately when the task is completed and you have checked, report to your manager. And don't just report, and then politely, humbly ask for the feedback and the quality, that how is your manager rating your task. Ask for the feedback. In case of improvement in the feedback, repeat the ACR model. All right. So this model will really help you to complete your task in timely manner, manage the quality of the task, and as well as it will improve the relationship between your teammates and the managers. So thank you for listening. You can let me know what challenges you are facing. I'll give you some tips, some formulas related to that as well. Thanks a lot. Do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you.